How to recover deleted reminders on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Reminders application on your iPhone. Once inside a list, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Delete List. Confirm the action by tapping Delete on the pop-up. Now, navigate to the main page and tap on Recently Deleted. This folder stores deleted items for 30 days before they are permanently removed. To restore a single item, simply tap on it. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Recover. The reminder will be moved back to its original list. To restore multiple items, tap the three-dot menu and choose Select Reminders. Tap on the circles to select the items you want to recover, and then tap the Move icon at the bottom left corner. Choose a destination list for your reminders, and tap on the checkmark to save. Now, you can go back to the list, and you can see the deleted remainder has been successfully restored. Following these steps, you can easily recover deleted reminders on an iPhone.